For a long time, Claude's most powerful features have required you to be at your desk. Cowork lets Claude edit your local files. Claude Code lets you build real software with a simple prompt. These aren't just chat features. They're actually changing how work gets done with AI every day. And until recently, you couldn't access these tools from your phone without some setup first. Claude Dispatch changes that. It connects your mobile app directly to your desktop, so you can kick off real tasks from anywhere and just wait for the result. I'm Tom from XRAY, the workflow company. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Dispatch and walk through two examples, pulling information from a file on my computer and building an actual app, all from my phone. And trust me, Dispatch is much easier to set up than remote control. Let's get started. To get started, you'll need to download the Claude app on both your computer and your mobile device. The setup I'm going to show you today uses a Mac and an Android phone, so your steps may vary slightly depending on your OS. Sign in on both devices with your Claude account. In the mobile app, open up the main menu and select Dispatch. Then tap Pair with Desktop. Switch over to your desktop app, open the Cowork tab, and select Dispatch. Click Pair your phone. Then select I'm signed in on my phone. Claude will give you a list of recommended settings to make sure Dispatch runs correctly. Go through these one at a time. Some may already be enabled if you've been using Claude Cowork. The first is giving Claude access to your files, which lets it view, edit, and create files on your computer. Next, keep your computer awake so it won't interrupt a Dispatch task by going to sleep. You may also want to install Claude in Chrome, which lets Claude navigate your browser on your behalf. It can even fill out forms and make purchases for you. Just keep in mind this is a beta feature, so be careful. Claude can make mistakes. Then, enable Let Claude Control Your Computer, which allows it to open and control apps on your behalf. On Mac, you'll need to enable both accessibility control and screen recording. Note that on Mac, you'll need to restart Claude for these settings to take effect. Last, check your connectors. Make sure all connectors are turned on. Any custom connections you've added, like Zapier, will be available to Dispatch. With everything configured, click Finish Setup. You may get a few prompts from Claude asking to access your main folders, downloads, desktop, and documents. Just click Allow on these. On your phone, tap Done. Then tap Let's Go. That's it for setup. You'll now see the same Dispatch thread on both your computer and your phone. Let's give Dispatch a try. For a quick test, I'll just ask it to search for a file on my computer and give me some information about it. Here's the prompt I'll send from my phone. In my Documents folder, I have an export of my shot lists from Notion. Can you look in those shot lists and remind me what day we filmed the Claude diagrams video? On mobile, we can see that Claude has read the message. On our desktop, we can see that Claude is processing my request and working on it. Of course, if you're using Dispatch remotely, you won't see what's happening on your desktop. But I just want to show you now so you understand what's happening on both devices when you send a message to Dispatch. Based on your request, you may need to authorize Claude to access specific folders on your computer. After a short wait, I've got an answer from Claude. We filmed that video on March 20th. It even gives me the time we started and notes that most of the takes were good. So now with Dispatch, I can work with any files I want on my computer, even if I don't actually have my laptop on me. No syncing required, no complicated setup, just a few taps and clicks to get started. In a moment, I'm going to show you a more advanced example of what Claude Dispatch can do and have it code an application for me using Claude Code. But before we build the app, I want to mention something. If you're watching this video, you're probably trying to figure out how to use AI to actually get work done, not just chat with it. That's exactly what we help people do at XRAY. We have hundreds of free tutorials on the blog covering Claude, Zapier, N8N, Airtable, and a lot more. And if you want hands-on help, XRAY Hourly gets you a vetted automation expert on a recorded Zoom call. No retainer, no long-term commitment. Just learning by doing alongside someone who knows what they're doing. Just book the time you need and build something real. Go to our website, xray.tech, to get started. Accessing files is handy, but where Dispatch really shows its value is in letting you access Claude Code from wherever you want. As a quick example, I'm going to ask Claude Dispatch to create a simple app for creating shot lists. These are the docs that we use while filming to keep track of each take, and note which ones to use. I've got a long, detailed prompt here covering all of the technical specs, but the main functionality I'm looking for is the ability to add content with the click of a button. I also want to be sure that the app adds a timestamp for each new take. I always like to have a dark mode toggle in any app I use, so I've asked for that too. And importantly, I've asked for this to be done with only HTML, so it will be extremely lightweight. On the desktop app, you can see this little loading animation that tells us Claude is working on our request. On the other hand, in the mobile app, it's not immediately obvious that anything is happening at all. However, up at the top of the screen, you can see a green active indicator, which means that the desktop is currently processing the prompt. After a short wait, Claude sends me the finished app, which is all contained in this one document. I'll download the doc and open it up on my phone to check it out. Overall, it looks great. We can see right away that the dark mode toggle works perfectly. There does seem to be a visual glitch here with this symbol, but it's got all of the key design elements and functionality that I asked for. I can create all the videos, scenes, and parts that I want. They're all numbered correctly, and each individual take includes a timestamp. I could keep going back and forth with Claude to refine the details, but I'd say this app is all set for now. Dispatch takes all the power and productivity of Claude and puts it right in your pocket. Now, when you've got an idea you want to work on during your commute, you can just take out your phone and send a prompt to Dispatch. Claude will get to work with all the power and functionality of your desktop. Let me know in the comments below, how are you going to use Claude Dispatch? What are you building and how does it speed up your workflow? If this video helped you out, like and subscribe to the channel for more AI and automation updates every single week. You can also find me and my company XRAY by searching for XRAY Automation on nearly every social media platform. For now, I've got to go. So until next time, find your focus and stay in flow.